So this is unit 1 and the very first algorithm that is able to process thermal surface scanned images. Thermal surface scanned images are not actually so useful when it comes to victim detection in snow because they cannot detect bodies underneath the snow. But that is not most of the cases. In few of the cases, the bodies might be partially above the surface or they will be covered by very thin layer of snow. In such cases, to narrow down that scrutinization time, we can use thermal surface scan images. So the first few lines of codes are for setting up YOLO V5 directory and YOLO V5 importing like cloning YOLO V5 model in Google Colab, and then we are so thermal data is the folder which has our training images. So we have uploaded it as a zip file and we are unzipping it, and then we are asking the model to learn to load the pre-trained weights of the YOLO V5 algorithm. And for our training process, the image size is 640 pixels. We have given mentioned the batch size as 2 for more efficiency, and our number of epochs specified as 10. And thermal.yaml is the configuration file that has details such as the number of classes and labels for each classes in our training data. So as we have mentioned the training path and validation path, the number of classes is one, which is actually human for our human body detection model. And since the model training takes quite a number of time, we have already trained it. And our model is for 10 epochs, our model is able to give an accuracy of 98 percentage. And the results are. So this is a data detection from a validation data set. And as you can see, our model is able to detect human figures in the thermal scanned images. So thus, using this data, the scrutinization of the surface level buried victims can be speeded up.